Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. It is the morning after Mother's Day. If you don't have IG or you don't keep up with my community tab, this is what I got for Mother's Day this year from my son. So, yes, I am going to be a Mima. I'm super excited about it. It was one of the best Mother's Day gifts I've ever had. So, be prepared to see a lot of baby growing, baby bump, baby pictures, the whole 9 yards. Alright guys, so I did do a video asking y'all if you wanted me to go through that box over there of things that I had purchased. I will be getting a different container, but for now, that's what we got. And, of course, I couldn't wait because I wanted to share the items that I have purchased in quarantine shopping lockdown with y'all so that I can actually use the things that I bought. So, we're going to start off with some friend mail because I got some yesterday. And I was super shocked to receive it. I know that she said she was going to send it to me, but then I never heard anything else. So it did come in this, and this is from KRIS and Kathy. They do have a YouTube channel. Do go check them out. This is from Kathy. This is the Wet n Wild, the 40 palette. I want to see if it's truly a dupe for the James Charles palette. That is what that palette looks like. So, Kathy, thank you for sending this my way. I hope you watch the video and see if it is a dupe. Do go over and check out KRIS and Kathy. I absolutely adore them. And I think you will too if you're a mature, older woman who likes makeup. So, if you like makeup, go check them out. So, again, thank you for that. So, I'm just going to start going through things that I've purchased. We're going to start with Walmart because it's right here and simple. I got the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk in light medium. Let me turn this down. There we go. In light medium to try out. And then I bought the Profusion Spectrum palette. I just got the neon one not long ago. And I have a collab coming up and thought both of these together would make a perfect look. So just know that there is a collab coming up and I will be using this in there. Then we got, I don't know if anybody else is, but I am hooked on Macari. They are the devil. You can find some really great deals on there, and being a makeup lover, I shop there a lot. But the things that I've purchased off of there were, I finally tried am trying the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. This is in light 70. I think it'll be a little bit too light, but we're going to find out. Then the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer in medium 12W. This is what I have on today, and I thought it did pretty good. Then I purchased my first ever Hourglass product. Now, this is one of those, a YouTuber made me buy it. Laura Jane Loves Beauty. I watch her use her Hourglass products all the time. They're absolutely stunning. So I went out on a limb and bought my first one also. And it is just beautiful. I do have it on today. I don't know if it looks as good on me as it does on her, but I did enjoy it. So there's that. Then I bought the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Seashell palette. And I'm going to be honest, I can deal with Tarte. That is what it looks like. It smells great, but in all honesty, I bought this for the packaging because I absolutely adore mermaid and mermaid decor. So I've wanted this palette for a while simply because of the way it looks. So now I finally have it. I'm happy about it. Then I bought a number 7 lot. This is the Instant Results Nourishing Hydration Mask by number 7. I had won a giveaway and won some of this and used it to the last drop and absolutely loved it. It's $15 at Walgreens is where I can find it. But for $15 I got this. I got the Radiant Results Revitalizing Toning Water and the Revitalizing Hot Cloth Cleanser. All 3 for $15. So I think I got a rather good deal, and I have my really nice moisturizer back. Alright, then I got but this is not for me. This is for a friend. I'm sure if you follow some of the same people that I follow, you will find out who this is for. So I'm going to stick that down here. Just know that she is excited about it. Then I purchased my first Juvia's Place palette. I got the Nubian 3 Coral palette. It's a pretty palette. I've never tried Juvia's Place. I've heard great things about it. So I'm going to finally test it. That is what that palette looks like. I think they're beautiful colors and can't wait to see how that formula performs. We'll put that back in there in a little while. Then I purchased from CC Color Cosmetics. Now, I have heard about this company from Flawed and Fabulous and HOTMESSMOMMAMD, Rhonda. She is an affiliate, I believe is what it is, with CC Cosmetics. C Color Cosmetics. If you shop there and use the code HOTMESS10, it does save you 10%. Just giving her due right there. But these are the items that I purchased from there. I got the Natural Face Palette, which is supposed to be the dupe for the Too Faced palette. That is what it looks like. I'm trying to do this without blinding y'all. And it's very pretty. I did use this bronzer today to do my look because we had family cookout day, and then I come home and took a nap and threw on a hoodie, threw my hair up, put on some makeup, and here we are. Then I bought the contour palette that is the dupe for the Shade and Light palette, I believe. And then just because I was ticked off with Boxycharm last month and all the promised eyeshadow palettes that none of us hardly got, I bought the Dupe 2, or Dope 2, because I can't read. And this is the dupe for the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. And I haven't tried it yet, so just know that y'all will be seeing some of these to see what I think about them. Then I got a mini of the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Balm. That is what it looks like. It smells great, and I've been using it a couple days. I like it. It feels wonderful. I bought the ColourPop Lippy Stick in Westy Matte 2002 because I don't have any ColourPop lippies, so we're going to try that out. I finally made the purchase of the Truly Madly Deeply from ColourPop because y'all know I'm a sucker sucker for ColourPop. This is what that palette looks like. Again, very pretty, very beautiful colors. And it's ColourPop, so I'm sure it will perform amazingly. Then we got a I Heart Revolution palette. This is the Snow Globe Snowflake. Very pretty muted colors in here. I was surprised by how much I really like this palette given the colors in it. But I'm super excited to get in there and play with that. And the packaging is beautiful. Just beautiful. Then I made a purchase from Peachy Queen on IG. Now I watch SAMANTHASWEETS, and she got this palette and did a look with it. I thought it was fabulous. I am hoping to do a collab with her on it. I'm waiting to hear back. So, Samantha, if you watch this, give me an answer, honey. This is the Malibu palette by Peachy Queen. Beautiful palette. Beautiful. Does have a mirror. And then that is those colors. I just stuck my fingernail in it. Of course I did. And my lights are missing. Oh, there's that palette. Oh, do you see where I stuck my fingernail in it? Okay. But I'm going to try out that palette because I think it's just beautiful. And with that, I got the Royal brush set. Now, these retail for $39.99. And the palette retails for $13.95. Like I said, you can find Peachy Queen on IG. And you can go over and watch SAMANTHASWEETS video on that palette also. Then we bought the... Now this is something I said I didn't need. Oh, you don't need it. You have those colors. It's ridiculous. I need it. I had to have it. So it is the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. It has a huge, huge, beautiful mirror on it. I know everybody has seen this palette. That is what it looks like, and I cannot wait to get in there and play with that. So if you have this palette and you would like to do a collab, comment down below and let me know. I'm late to the party, but if this palette is really as good as everybody says it is, nobody will mind seeing it again. But when I bought this, they threw in a Morphe E11 brush, so that was sweet of them. Then I made a purchase from Morphe, and it was the Jaclyn Hill, the Eye Master collection. This was on sale for $20 when I purchased it. Other than the Jeffree Star Morphe brushes and the new brush I just got with the Tati palette, I don't have any Morphe brushes, so I've heard wonderful things about these brushes. So now I finally have them, and I can check them out. Alright, anything else? I did want to show y'all my flowers for Mother's Day if you hadn't seen them. These are from the doggies, aka Daddy. They smell amazing. And what I'm wearing on my eyes today, I just did a simple, easy look, is the Zoeva Screen Queen. I don't know what is up with that light. This is the Screen Queen. This is the one that my mother got in her box. I thought I would try it out. It's not bad. There is one matte right there, and the rest are shimmer. It's not a horrible palette. I just don't do many shimmer looks. Although I wasn't too upset about this one. It's cute. Of course, Chloe's in the living room whining. So, that is what I have purchased. Now, I will be titling this part 1. I do still have some orders coming from Sephora, Melt Cosmetics, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Beauty Bay. Slay Glam Box is putting out a mystery box that I am waiting on. And then I am getting a special box to unbox on my channel from a new company that reached out to me. So I can't wait to bring that to y'all. And that is my new items so far. So please do stick around for part 2. And if you've made it this far, those flash giveaways I keep talking about. Today's flash giveaway is the I Heart Revolution Cherry Palette. It smells like cherries. It's small and cute and quaint. Pink. Does have a small mirror in it. And then that is what that palette looks like. And like I said, it does smell like cherries. So, if you stayed this far, let me know what you think about the palette that I'm wearing. And let me know that you're interested. Without making it obvious, guys. I love cherries. I had a cherry pie. You know, to my subscribers, people that actually pay attention to my videos. That's who I want that to go to. So, hope you enjoyed seeing all the new things that I bought. I can't wait to try them out, let you know what I think about them. The people's channels that I mentioned, go check them out. Kris and Kathy, HOTMESSMOMMAMD, Flawed and Fabulous, SAMANTHASWEETS. Just go check them out. They might be your cup of tea. So, that's it, guys. That's my video. Until next time, as always, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys. Chloe says bye to you.